Ladies and gentlemen, this video will help you to get rid of the adware called Dynamic Improvement. Dynamic Improvement. This is the adware type application that only attacks Mac computers. It targets its popular browsers, Google Chrome, Firefox, but mainly the attack is directed at Safari browsers. Dynamic Improvement adware may also additionally change the default homepage to Safe Finder, and similarly it changes the default search engine to Safe Finder, also sometimes redirected to Yahoo search. Now this adware Dynamic Improvement may also load your screen with a lot of excessive pop-up ads. It may redirect your browser to many random websites, sites that are dangerous and not decent. So I recommend you to remove this Dynamic Improvement as soon as you can. For this purpose, go to the Safari Preferences, select Extensions. Now find this Dynamic Improvement, check it and click on Uninstall. Then click on Show in Finder. Right-click on this adware and move it to the trash. If you could not do it, you need to click on Command, Option and Escape, and then force quit your browser or that adware that is active. Finally, you need to well, if you could not do it from the first attempt, you might need to do it once again. So we have just done that, and we can see that it's gone from the extensions. But I also recommend you to double check your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is here, combocleaner.com. Download this software, install the application and start scanning your Mac with it by clicking on Start Combo Scan button. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program will perform scanning of your computer and its analysis. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed report. If you see something next to the antivirus section, you may click on Review Results to find out what exact threats were found. So you will see the detailed list of each specific threat and its detailed location in your Mac. What you could do is click on this icon, that means Show in Finder. Then this will open the location of threat in Finder. You may right-click on this threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same procedure with all other malware types that were found. So click on this icon. Then right-click on it, on the malware, and move it to the trash. So this is the manual way to remove malware from your Mac, or you could do it automatically but with the premium version of the program.